Hi, I'm Hanan, founder of Murphy AI. I'm creating the Murphy AI to bootstrap the Solana that fly well. Here's the fly well. We have that build faster with free SDK and free AI code editor that allow project and token. Murphy take a small share and reinvest to acquire more debt. Murphy exchange in interaction. The SDK and AI editor acquire developer. The allow path monetize allows subsidize tool development and bring more debt in Solana blockchain. Our two work together to keep the ecosystem growing. Yeah, and we are building 24 components for the most common use case so that skip pay and goes there to innovation. It's like Satya UI, but for Solana app. I designed Murphy AI based on Solana PDA and instruction architect. Use Murphy SDK to help you build standard code by on Solana faster. And that's a demo video. Currently, Murphy AI is intention in very convenient for that to use. See how fast you can build a Solana swap with Murphy. There are many AI code editors, but Murphy AI is built based on Murphy SDK standards. It is very accurate. That and next, Murphy Lawpass. Murphy Lawpass help you load your project at any stage. We help you set up vetting and check your investor all in one click. Make Flywheel business model sustainable. Murphy is already being used 11 projects shipping 1,500 installer and high retention, so people are coming back to build more. We finished Murphy SDK and have the beta AI version. Next step, we are building the Lawpass. Dub and I'm part of 17 Vietnam, working closely with Germany and Korea and collab with Tamil. Building Murphy SDK with the GenAI team, and this model is circular. Outroute fun better tune. We drive more usage and more loud. That win, Solana win, Murphy win. Moreover, investor can pay for early slot and AI analytics. We are cool support for Solana focus and allow back business model. And Murphy Powder. I have 3 year experience with blockchain and Web3 dev channel. Moreover, I'm Solana Flagship Summer Hackathon and Grand Winner. If you are building on Solana, you're Murphy.